Okay, I'm gonna first look at. I'll look at mic entity. So it's saying when you're colliding with. Okay, so I'm going to change this to movable or moving. I should have said mobile entity now I think about it. Alright, so that's one. Next one is in effect entity. What's that called? What is that called? I just realized it might be better just to do the method is mobile. Yeah, but I don't know. Yeah. Then other one is bounce wall exit gate shooter. Bounce wall exit gate shooter. Okay. Yeah, and those are all the same case. It's on the collide. And it's just for the animation. It's no real big deal. Alright, so this might build. Let's say we've got about 50-50 chance. I would make this bet. Yep. Every time you build, there should be like a ding button so you can celebrate. I think MSVC still has that. Okay, here's the moment of truth. We are going towards the wall. We don't, okay, that's good. We skip over the green things. Now, but actually it's not good. It's not working. It's definitely not working. But I do say they are colliding. Okay, I take that back. The collision is working. You see when it hits the upper wall? The wall lights up blue. So that means the collision part is working. We don't have the responder. The responder. What's a responder? A response action handler, I guess. That's the closest I can pass it off with. So, yeah, I was thinking about this. Yeah, so this is going to get into the belt code. I don't know, to be honest. Okay, but now we do have collision detection. Hold on, I want to check one thing. Okay, we just changed this to one of these. Yeah, so the collide width doesn't really do anything. And the reason is because snakeable entity is what did the collision handler, I think. Let me look at snakeable entity. So see, when we collide, we will have the handle collision call. It's probably around here. Collide with. So this is after the test. This is when we've actually collided. So you see, this guy does all this spring action. This is where, yeah, the object itself is responsible for doing the stuff. So, what to do, right? One thing we could do is move this into, yeah, we take this part. This is the normal collision response. We move this and we put into movable object, because the movable object is the one that moves around. So I'm going to say we do that. What do you say we do that? Moving entity, sorry. So let's get some colored action, some coloring action, and we'll take all of this and we'll just put it here. Don't worry about writing code in the middle. That's what we have. I don't know what I was going to say, but look at that. Yeah, and we get these guys. And we get that. Okay. Okay. No worries, no worries, we got this. Boom. And do you know how to indent a block? Because I don't. Let me try this. Oh, I think that might work. So that's indented correctly. This stuff isn't. So boom. Yep. Isn't that amazing? And Command Option D doesn't work on the Mac anymore. Okay, so I don't know if there's a get mask call. We might not need it. Let's see. Are we using DBA? We are. We are using DBA. That kind of sucks. BBB. Yeah, but you know what? This whole mask thing, I think that's a normal physics thing. Yeah. And mass just gets initialized to 1. So it's not going to do anything here. We can change mass later if need be, but all objects will be equal for now. Okay, so this might even build. Very doubtful, but it might even build. Okay, let's just try it. Undeclared identifier game state. Yeah, so we'll need some. We'll need some includes here. Pound import game state.h, and we also want the include for filter geometry.h. And that might be it. Probably not, but that might be it. We also need redefinition of state. Find me state. Alright, so that builds. What we can do now is let's run it. Once this runs successfully, we can refactor that, or well, just delete that second half. Yeah, I think you can say refactor. So, will the collision detection work? Now, I think it should just work. I'm not sure, but we'll see. I think it should hit any part of the green part and bounce back. Yep. That looks like it's working. So the collision detection is pretty much working. No sound yet, but that can't really be helped. Let's see if it hits some of the other blue guys. Did you see that it went to the wall? I don't know what that was about. It was moving slow and it went through the wall. You see that? Oh yeah. Okay, so it doesn't... Maybe it doesn't hit the green stuff? I don't know. That's odd. Sometimes on this side of the screen it'll go through the wall. See that? Went right through without collision. I don't know. Okay, well I have to look at this. It's not there yet. One sec. Middle of January and it's hot. Okay. I was singing earlier, so I don't really have a voice. I think I can only go so much today with this. Otherwise it'll be unhealthy. So, in it with pause. So why isn't that stuff colliding sometimes? It's so weird when it does it sometimes. That's really the stuff that bugs you. It looked like it was only colliding on one side. Okay. So the collision call happens now in normal physics entity. I mean the collision detection part. Because it'll call the hard whatever. Yeah. It will call